Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to set a dark mode on Threads. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our Threads app, and as you can see, we are currently on dark mode. So here on Threads, there is no settings for this mode. So what we can do is we are going to go to our device settings for us to be able to activate dark mode on our apps. So we're just going to go to our settings. So if you are using Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. And we are going to go to our display, and all you need to do is just look for the color scheme. So you have two options there, light mode and dark mode, which we are currently using now, which is dark mode. But if we are going to switch that into light mode, then you will be able to see that our threads is also in light mode. So we're going to switch this into dark mode. So we'll go back to our settings and just click dark mode. So as of the moment, there's no settings on threads for you to be able to activate dark mode. So you have to go to your device settings. And that's it for this video. If you have questions, comment them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.